It's me, Ramesh. So you'll be wondering why I'm here. I'm doing some shopping at Chow Kit. Shopping time. This look quite nice. Let me ask how much is this one? देता हूँ. Hello po. Hello. वीडियो बनाओ दूर से. दूर खड़ी हो जाओ. How much?
Oh, this one not sell. Only like this sell. Beaches.
Oh, okay. Thank you. This one how much?
Glow in the dark, 55.
55. Glow in the dark. Can I see some more? 55.
This one only medium.
My size no? Sad. It's okay.
वो बिग साइज है आपका आ जाएगा.
No big size. Let's go.
आपको नहीं आता वो.
No my size. Okay. Thank you.
Only medium.
Only medium.
Yeah.
Very sad. Okay. So there is no my size here. Sad. Let's see here. I'm here. Show the shelves around. Have my size? No, no, okay, it's okay. Thank you. Well, let's go. No, my size available. Okay, you can look at the back.
नहीं चाहना वो हमें.
Very nice t-shirt, but no my size.
No,
30 ringgit.
no,
You wanna buy? You buy.
I can buy. Oh, it's okay. Leave it.
Sadly, no my size of that shirt. Let's continue our journey. No, thank you, sir. I'm looking for my size, something I can buy here. No, but it's really very hot today. Sadly, it's really very hot weather today. Let's keep walking. Be careful. You want to have a drink here? Rabia, I'm here. Is it there? It's okay. Oh, let's go there. Outside, I think it's not like. Let's go outside better. Let's keep walking. I'm just looking for something to drink. Very thirsty right now. Come here first, let's drink. Let's drink first. Let's drink first. What do you want to drink? close, Rabia. It's close, let's go. They're closing it. Sorry. Let's go. So sadly they're closing it. So let's see what we can. I just want a drink, cold drink. It's gonna rain anytime soon. Sadly. I'm just looking for a drink, which you can have some drink. It's very hot here. Let's see, can we find something to drink or not? It's very, very hot here today. Really very, very hot. There's no drink. I want something to drink. Let's see what we can find for drinking. It's gonna rain. Let's go from here.